Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is nothing. I'm not gonna tell my name, but today I am gonna show you how do I edit my videos part 1 on Vigi.io. So you can see I have already opened it and started the project. So this is the circle spectrum which we called, means it's the spectrum but a circle spectrum. So that's the background. I added a gradient. I have removed the particles because I want to add something. Now you can see that I have already added colors because the Visi colors are somewhat different, so I didn't use that. So I've already added layers, which you can see it right now. I added the first layer, and remember the first layer you can see is the fourth layer always. I don't know why does it say that, but now I will play the music. I have used Lily from Alan Walker. So I don't think you can hear it perfectly because I've kept the volume low. So you can see the layers, like they are amazing. They look amazing. It's a bit laggy on my computer, I know that. Because I don't have, oh my god, I just did that. Oh, I wanted it to be much betterly. What's betterly? Okay, to be visible correctly. Not correctly. It should be visible. So now, because of my laggy computer, I cannot see the spectrum I'm editing right now. I'm increasing my yellow particle. So as per I'm doing this, it's a tutorial also that how to do this. I'm just showing how to. Now adding a number, because by adding a number something will happen. 1.13. Did something happen? No, I don't think something happened. Okay, we're going to try have 1.0, which is 1 only. Why did I try that? Okay, now what should I try? 0.9. That was nothing. Yeah, that was nothing. 0.11. Oh yeah, I forgot about it. It was 1 point. Sorry. 1.11. Now that's correct. Now that looks amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. I just want to stop that music right now. So guys, we really want to do something. So I'm gonna show you what to do. So now in 2D visualizers, you can see the plus icon that we can add a effect to 2D visualizers. Now we'll use this animated text next time. Today we are going to use ground. Okay, we have selected ground. I cannot see it right now because where is it? Wait. Yeah. Now that looks amazing. I like that. The next item I'm gonna try to add is in 2D visualizers. We're gonna add basic spectrum bars, which I have not added at all in any of my videos because I don't know anything about it. Now something has opened here. What is this? Appearance, transformation, and basics. Now what does this do? Transform, position. First thing, I cannot see that thing. I've increased what? No, we don't want to increase the scale right now. Rotation, we know don't need it. We need to change its position. What is XYZ? Need to find out about what is XYZ. I know what is XYZ, but I don't know how to, means how to place that perfectly. Really, I don't know anything about it. So I shall skip this. No, I'm just gonna click the delete button. Yeah, I don't know anything about it. Yeah. So the background image you can see in my videos that it brightens up. You can upload that from that picture. Have increases vintage and audio brightness. I don't want it to be too much, like not too much. So that's amazing. Yeah, it looks like, wait, what is this white particles saying? Yellow particles. Red will look nice. Wow, you can see that, guys. It looks amazing. Yeah, I would like to do it in my all videos, but because of this lagginess, it doesn't work. It would work after exporting. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Your way end. Really, I will not end it right now. I'm going to show you how to export. You can see the file button and then click export. You can choose cloud export and web export, but the cloud export is not working for now. I don't know why. So we will use web export. You can just click on choose and it will start. It has no queue. Cloud export has queue, means it takes some time, and the web export will take uh, less amount of time. So guys, subscribe to my channel right now. You can see my channel and click the subscribe button. This is not a subscribe button right here, but still subscribe to my channel. We'll meet next time in the second part. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.